welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I am really excited. As you can see from the description below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the ELB Essential Leggings box. And yes, as you can guess, it is a subscription box for leggings. So yay, that is awesome. I love leggings. If I'm not in leggings or yoga pants or like some comfy cotton shorts, something's going on. I'm at some kind of event where I need to actually be like fully dressed because I am all about comfort. So I am super excited. This subscription sounds amazing. I do want to say thank you to Essential Leggings Box for sending this to me to review. And I'm going to go over some information with you about this. I do want to remind you guys we do have our Luxury Divas giveaway going on, so that link will be down below if you have not yet entered. And I have some information here that this was wrapped up, and so then I have this so I can reference this and tell you guys a little bit more since it is new to our channel. So it says, hi, I want to thank you for the opportunity to feature one of our subscription boxes on your YouTube channel. A little bit about our company. We are ELB Custom Designs, Essential Leggings Boutique. And we are a woman-run company out of Massachusetts. We custom design our own leggings, meaning these are not leggings you will find just anywhere. We do wholesale to a few small boutiques that carry our line. However, the prints are manufactured in very low numbers, making them truly unique. We currently carry women's sizes 2 to 18 and are working to expand that size to 26. We want women of all shapes and sizes to feel comfortable in our leggings and be able to be truly unique and love it. While our main line consists of leggings, we are so much more than that. We also carry shirts, children's leggings, custom drawstrings, and bottles, as well as wallet accessories, and so much more. We're currently working to get our fitness line up and running, and we'll be soon offering that as a subscription as well. That's awesome. And it says, our leggings are always made with a yoga waistband, thick, buttery soft material. We've recently released leggings with side pockets that will also be sometimes part of the subscription boxes. Currently, we have sizes OS, which fits most sizes 2 to 10, same as LuLaRoe, and we have PS, which fits most 12 to 18. Soon, we will have TC2 to fit sizes 18 to 26. We hope you love your box and your subscribers do too. And then there is a link that I will put down below for you guys if you would like to sign up. They do have a Facebook page if you want to head over and check them out, give them a like on that. And it is www.facebook.com/ELB Custom Designs. So let's get in here because I am so excited. I did see Kitty from Kitty's Boxes do an unboxing of this and it looked amazing. So I am so happy to have the opportunity as well. So again, thank you, Essential Leggings Boutique Box, for sending this to me. I can't wait to see what is in here. Like I said, it was wrapped up in like an outer mailer. Oh, there's a thank you in here, so we'll look at that, and then you see the tissue paper. But I think this box is like so cute. The box is gorgeous. But let's see what this says. We hope you love all of your new products. Included is 2 pair of yoga waistband, buttery soft, full-length leggings, 1 satin draw bag. Regular price of the items, the leggings are $30 each. The drawstring bag is $20. So this is a total of $80. Now I do know they have subscriptions that can start at $18 a month. Now that may be, you know, if you go ahead and prepay for 3 or 6 months, and depending on what you sign up for. I do note that this box they sent me is $38 a month, but like I said, that is for 2 pairs of leggings, and it does come with like an accessory or an extra item, and this month it is a drawstring bag. So let's take a look And so here we see this. This looks like the drawstring bag right here, and then leggings inside. So we'll look at this first. This feels so soft, and that is so pretty. And like, you can tell that this is like very well made. But yes, this is so cute, so pretty. It's like satiny feeling. So this is super pretty. And obviously, you know, you can drawstring it closed, and then you could, you know, put it over and do what you need to do. And do it with a very pretty bag. So that was item number 1. And then, oh y'all, these are so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh. And I can tell that they do have like the yoga pant waistband, which is amazing. This mama loves that. But these are so cute. Like, you can see that they are full length, and they are like super stretchy and comfy. You can just tell these are going to be so wonderful to wear. I cannot wait. This pattern is awesome. It's got hearts and bows and like a heart lock. It does say, let me find where I can show you guys. Like here it does say love. So it's just a really awesome design that if you really look, you'll see the full detail as to what it is. But yes, you guys, this, like, seriously, these are like so stretchy, so comfy, and so soft. Oh my goodness. I know what I'm wearing tomorrow. If it doesn't stay 95 degrees. However, I will probably be in the house for most of the day, so I guess I could wear those. And it looks like we actually have a business card in here too, which is so pretty. They're like attention to detail, like the box is gorgeous, just amazing. But this is their card, so ELB, Essential Leggings Boutique. And then it says, thank you for shopping. It has their email on the back. The card is so cute. All right, so leggings number 2. Ooh, these look pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is fun. I can already tell. So this is what they look like. They are like, again, the yoga pant waistband, which is fantastic. And you can see they look, you know, like a gray and pink stripe. And again, these are both full length, so these are not like the capri leggings. These are both like, you know, to your ankle. Then as you go down, surprise, pretty flowers. That is so cute. So it looks, you know, all of that, and then oh my goodness, you guys, look how gorgeous that is. So pretty. These are gonna be so fun to wear. And they are so soft. I love leggings. Oh, and even like, okay, so you go like feel on the inside. That is amazing. And one thing about these leggings that I really like is they're not see-through. You can't see through these leggings, you know, because there are those leggings that you're like, girl, you might want to go back home and try something else. So you don't have to worry about that with these. So yay, these are so cute. And I just love this like pop of fun down here at the bottom. So that is absolutely gorgeous. And again, they are so soft. And then we had this cute pair that so soft. They really are that buttery soft. And I love the design of these, like the black and white and gray. And then, like I said, when you really pay attention, you see that there is like some, you know, love and hearts and things, which is fantastic. And then this super cute drawstring bag. I think it is adorable. And, you know, this is definitely something this time of year that is nice to have. You know, you could take it to the pool or wherever, the gym. So that is super pretty. But that was the May 2019 ELB essential leggings box. Like I said, I will put that link down below if you would like to sign up. I think this is fantastic, and I love that there is a subscription with leggings. I just love this, and they're cute and unique and so soft and comfy. I can't wait. So let me know what you think down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.